MLA tara mapun si manung dumi mga tara to orang betar who are those nakoi Manipur da nakoi leiganu Manipuri nakoi MLA natte nakoi chin kuki jobu nakoi shogor pa nakoi MLA orang mani kari guma nakoi ne che tharam betar badi hojuke matang na nakoi na phammu na bagi nakoi kari darka leige nakoi ne pura bas nakoi kari to bangangani sir I request you what happened to your Manipur police why you are augmenting service of the from other state or from the CAPF or this so-called paramilitary, so-called army. Manipur police itself, unless otherwise, if you really deal properly, Manipur police can handle properly. Makoi na Manipur sa thugay na ba? Completely makoi ki MLA Manipur ki member of legislative assembly ki members wasak log na Kaghraga, Chakraga, Mizoram, the Leiraga, Manipur Mapan, the Leiraga, helicopter na to in a la, Kolga, Tolop, Laura, Kola, Chakraga, Amukama Hangraga, Manipur, Tugaina, but Toba, BJP, MLA, and Minister Ani Jauri Base, Karigi, BJP, na Manipur government, na Makoibu, the suspend of the Karino, Makoigi, member of legislative assembly, members, speaker, na Kaduit, Motamoy Shibu, Akui terminate or Makoi Shibu, Akui dismissed. Or Makoi Sibu illegal and declared to 100%. Karigina Manipur the lady, a koi hajik toiba, MLA Taramapanna, Makoina che the Kui Masai Quick Iraga. Present Chief Minister would look to a Shinbu, Amatito Pohayus, Masu Mayak Sheng, but sing the Masakarino Masi, Chaman Bompui. Kanana Tori Base Masakutin Mamtui. Adu nushit shitana koi una leng ba yadi hayu matawum karadi adu ba ma pu janing da ba lathok tabagi maram da khadi khana ba khadi naina ba khadi torum gane se second in command the leviri was Sri Bishajit mana ngarang nan gi police ki de gi matang da hayu ai di shan kui ai hide khoti haibun samuk adu so haili Other than the Koi MLS, my minister, my Nakoina Koibu, Nahuliba, Nakoina Koibu, Tandu little Hinders, Nakoi Kanakana, no. Government Raptors, Tijan Bill. Must say you have no moral right. Nakoi MLA minister or Maja, we don't bother you. Nakoiba Kuniyam Nikai Kunbo Udli, Nakoina Tawapunum, the Koi Loni Yabani, Adu Hachiki Matang, the Akoi Ishana Chin Kuki Jo terrorist na. Ishagi iram damdagi ishaba ko tantoga mo koina sing mani haidana mukshal patan sig no koina pham karigumba MLA tara mapun si manung dumi mga tara to oram batar who are those no koi Manipur no koi leiganu Manipuri no koi MLA natte no koi chin kuki jobu no koi shogor no koi MLA orang mani kariguma no koi che tharam batar badi hojuke matang no koi pham munabagi no koi kari darka leige Nakoi pura basa nakoi kari to bangangani ay Mr. Biren in person na duwa may kang nabasa na te luna to basa na te he is chief minister lenga ki makogni nakoi mayam chang na shogot pani nakoi mayam chang na mapo leader ohin mani sakay puno munsu jadar mapo ohin mani nasi Manipur da suwane charang na Manipur machet tagati tauribe tanja se may Biren Singh man may aran makayam leiru sa hajuki matang di lokthok pa sa koi pamde Mahilo to keep it out the Pierre Tarko and quick duri. No Taliban who is chief minister of pumps in a kush winning a dinomatic shabracha, the Bruno Mishenda and a Yengo. Biren my pow pataba, that is you decide later on. Hochiki Matak the Nuikana with not a chin cookie joe porketo libro. Nakuina Tori no Machakochamam nay. Governments should clear us, governments should come out with the crystal clear government of Manipur. India government could be Janing Davis, Manipur, the Levy Punam Nokoi Kang the Bro. Kariuman MLA Kara Minister Nokuni Chalaga Mr. Biren Lokto in Haji Matanga, Torumata, you are selfish. You are anti Manipuri. Akoi Mete ni Habisakui Manipur, Mete in Pali Habis, you are wrong. Manipur the Labor Manipuri Punamuna Pan Mani. Karigun Nokuni Sumain Tonotoi, Bakui Irang, Amotoli, Kariguna, what authority you have, you ministers, you MLA. Nakoy na support ka with the you go to underground. You go with the arms with the chin cookie jo may de lepo. Nakoy Manipur da nakoy MLA minister nakoy oyano. Nakoy area da liba noy prajamyam nakoy kay dawri. Kari tamagtan nakoy kok sa hali bano. Noi Kandribra, Government of India na could be Jenning Day. Government of India Nashibol Lakta Punamakasakari, no could be Palm the Nushida, could be a quay say Mitop in a country about foreigners, Naquically, yes. We were a foreign countries, national or Manipur Sarkar, no we call we are there. Although Matang, Sig Shore Home, then Lady 1987 the Chin Cookie Joe Harry, but refugees, my am Singsina, Amukama, Pew and Talamas, Manipur Sakana, Yaroich, Tokti, Hina Tingra Matung Devo, a Simoin, Amukaminal group, Amus Sagalaga. Tauriga at the travel groups in which shito ingendana, Numit Kudi, no make up and the cup and the noine impal, the now sun nadana, Mapam Marankang, the Dilly, the Chatlaga, Nukuna Tauriba, Lila Mamdator Jiri, the Chala Yimuchon and a coy. Napunsi the Noi Jiri, the Richalabro, Mikaya. Aishamakai Karachala, me, she Lanza, who didn't say hire me. Jiri the Nushi, Manipur Police Motali, Central Armed Police Forces Motali. Noi chalo kanana tali undergrounds in extremists in kanano mapanda lakwa mean ikai didn't minister MLAs you people hey MLA you people you ministers nakoi na phamtana di karimunchu mamata arabadi nakoi chalo police po taliban CAP po taliban nakoi deadline pi noi chalo noi ne chalo abin vichato ne mitu noi ne kap ko ne hat kane moi chapcha ne jiri da togri security advisor degi chief secretary Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, Amadi DGP, can I bring it to your attention? What drama you are playing? How you cannot protect the security and the territory of the Manipur in the 𝐒𝐈𝐍𝐆 itself? Why? They are threatening you. They are asking you, the authority, to go away from Manipur. And even after you are asking that you have no moral right to administer in the 𝐒𝐈𝐍𝐆, is it not ridiculous, security advisor? Is it not ridiculous, the DGP Sahab? Is it not ridiculous, the chief secretary? The knowing the honorable chief minister, the Kanano, Jiri the Holy Punamase. Jiri the Sunakoina to Honmanatro, Stigi Irang Shimon, the Nuhena Muchalga, the leader, Chief Pishalam Rapisam, the Kangre, Toy Betonga Sakarino, Manipur the Lady, Manipur Police Key, Cyber Crime Gipunamak, Tijaluna Kedogena Koida. Is it not the right time or is it not the right for you? You inquire into the matter. Or you are also being played or you are also being under the command and control for the unreasonable causes of the government of Manipur. You cybercrime, you authority, DGP under you. Sir, I request you, what happened to your Manipur police? Why you are augmenting service of from other state or from the CAPF? Or this so-called paramilitary, so-called army. Manipur police itself, unless or otherwise, if you really deal properly, Manipur police can handle properly. Since from 1991 onwards, Manipur police have been you celebrated 133 years. This is the Manipur police performance. Why your police has become handicapped? Or is the police hands are tight? Or are you not looking after well their requirements? Or are you not fulfilling that their desire that they be armed, they be given a top priority, all kind of their necessities? In any way, Tarangchen, Nuaite, Bharat Sarkar na kuise mitop tongni yengi, akoi se mokoi be mitop tongni yengadam na jiti. We were a foreign national countries. We are not the gulam. We are not the servant of the Manipur, the India government. Since they don't recognize, we don't recognize the Bharat Sarkar. The Holy Punama sa makoy nito honmani. Sige marat, sige ngasay adun hangbirak po pao. Okay, wahang sige taboyam na shoy. Who are those ministers? Who are those MLAs tin changi basa karigyo na ay bilin mo thagit pa nate? Nuhay payo matabla ka tanjada payo ka na payo no hayye. Bilin na po kuy tanjada may kusti di irabro. Mana chief minister 𝐒𝐈𝐍𝐆 oyeni haidana iram moidana ko naku subatam lakne, but are you capable enough? Are you able enough? Are you fit for to become the chief minister at this moment? Kari noi larik noi kayam haigrage, kari noi tobung angudori ge, kari noi tograge, except Manipur the irang thon manatana. Noi torumba tarabadi you are chin cookie ya jogi supporter ni Manipur the noi level loy. इम्फाल दन होय लाखपा यादे सिविल सोसाइटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आई खुद रोन हंगचगे नखोई मफम दगी कनागुमा मिनिस्टर्स और कोई एमएलएस होजी मतंग इरंग थोलिबा अखोय तंगुलेता लहिंद्रिबसे सिविल सोसाइटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन माई एरिया दे लेबा एमएलए जावरिबा सिंगदो you should not permit them to come back natrabadi nuhi me na tawdrabadi civil society organizations jaudna government pubusinga yaroi you are the all in all CSOs the CSOs of neutral no ko leibatai CSOs pun mone MLA ne tawba minister mafam manang khangdan mone phamunari hen tabase tabadi yamna nuaite asu mothijan bio moi lekai diso lehenganu manipur se lehelloisi we have every right to chase them out moi chin ko ki jog support karne maram madra se nuaite kangbumna haida ko khui yaugi de kangbumna hai mase kada idi mon nampu de mon ko kada di chingchallaga tawraga ko ye mase man force tawraga sajannar ishanar ma yabra moi mitara mapan se mase thijan biu CSO tijalu manipur le yak tawri se kanano manipur le at this moment chief minister I don't know Biren Singh much but he is the chief minister man apabatamak tawrubde taribe dosase mana tawrundu tadi manipur puari se pura mukt kadamni chaitara gi manungda I appreciate for his role my past character life I have no concern for this moment he is the only one who can protect let the opposition shout whatever they want they have no locus standi adu nakoi MLAs ministers for nakoi namu sogollaga amu thangdagani am indhokane gaiche adu makarbar tagunu MLA ministers mayam nakoi the warning tawri koina you behave properly don't tear up Manipur don't put us in the well all the Manipuris nakoi di cheli bi da ko di se cheli akoi nakoi be thagat pani nakoi ne bhajan mas mamai chumna pugudabne at this juncture do you want chin kuki jo protocol no chip so hen manoi pamanatra nangi pham mata tanabanatra yade haji tawbu yade nakoi togunu Manipur MLAs and ministers behave properly and protect Manipur and protect the 34 communities drive them out this chin kuki jo terrorists promotion you drive them out BJP ki ashwan mani BJP na mitara simanungda chin kuki jogi mitara simanungda mokoi minister ani sujawri bani even mokoi punamagase kari tamakta BJP gi Manipuri unit na mokoi sibu punishment pi daba ngasi chahiyama makhai suna thabak office tawruktaba office kadre assembly session da lagtre ati tope state ta phammaga mokoi ne Manipur se thugai na ba completely mokoi ki MLA Manipur tigi member legislative assembly ki members washak lodna ka khraga chakhraga Mizoram da leiraga Manipur mapan da leiraga helicopter na toina la kolga tolop lowra kol chakhraga amuka ma hangraga Manipur thugaina ba tawba BJP ki MLA and minister ani jawri base kari gi BJP na Manipur government na makoi bu suspend tawdriba karino makoi ki member of legislative assembly members speaker na kadui tamak tamoy sibu akoi ki terminate or makoi sibu akoi dismissed or makoi sibu illegal han declared to hondir se kari na masi hangdi chumne tarangchen chumi adon hangbi with the right point you have asked I appreciate you masi BJP na ko shon mani let it be Sarda who is she I do not know and who is added the chief minister Biren I don't know my makut karai bo sangi sangde khangde mase makoi yashwan mani miyamana thabak tawdrbadi office ta nominee karak tabada ma kari manam namana lagti service ma the explanation am hangi because he or she is ought to give reply me amne MLA is not above the law MLA is not above the procedures of the rule and regulations or the Indian constitution above the nate moina kaninga makaba kaninga tokpa moina Manipur mapandal lerga they are the first people they be arrested kari Manipur government BJP led government why you cannot do why you are afraid masidai hangadabne BJP government se hange BJP party president se hange Miss Sharda you reply it now why you are afraid kari instruction kari government kari nukoi party headquarter degi shumaina terrorists on the thabak kadna thatare nipang tha tara tre ni pan sumai to tolop lak mari mangarom loudun phamna le akoi tak to hu mu kam salaga akoi against the lone chakadami haidna kene terrorist mayam da mukoi ne manipur de ka bhai MLA tara sena akoi surrender mukoi de togre chabane manipur de chagani tolop na manipur de la akoi logi ani shun manipur thugai na de moina ad phamna le thugai de. This is a very crystal clear. What BJP nakoi ke dodi ge masjid action logdur bese karigino masi marandi masi akoi sig damni asi marandi masi moine logi I 100% manipur shares punamak I could learn I should have to I should matang the yauri chig manipuri BJP you are unsellable nakoi de adodi manipur manghali bese nakoi shi jaw natro nangi nacha sing or nangi nacha na su oibigi nangi mari mata oibigi gu mamrom nun he to bunatro government employees man thabakka da minini ka da mau dismiss to bunga me mau the explanation pig in official procedure da kariuma man procedure to mani na ba ko to wana ta ban lapungam da consideration pig ni consideration tha kya pig ni amma pig dra ani pig dra manga pig dra chahi tara pig dra no adu matam period lakter bade they big dismiss why the 10th schedule lady then schedule se mak put the power pig no why the speaker cannot take any decision kari to no should tuminle bise kari no yes this is the right point you ask adu din manipur the law have say 10 chin cookie jogi terrorists MLAs I say they are the betrayer moise namak haram makoise manipur the charaga manipur ge pasana lo ni charaga madigi akoi maigi chaluk to makhong hamjal laga chatpani terrorist ni tara MLA say they are illegal they should not be allowed to enter in Manipur. Yes, Manipur lenga kari no action lo tige you are right Mr. Tarang Chen Jesus na hangi ba si pon hang bi am haraw ko tabni Manipur government you are wrong kari na ko mo bi kan klet tamino no ye party ni shude na ko ministry tune tawdira adu no policy ni ab ta khan ne jingse chief minister honorable or ke government ge mako pubidi belenga ki punamak noi mangani noi tarani tan koi gi officers thabak lagta bodo what action you are going to initiate are you going to give them free rope moi tawni mu ta to kanim ta kai de ai shilem na khra paisa khra tange nang se thabak ka dan to karim this yardstick must law is equal for everybody you all MLAs and minister you are not above the law but what is happening in the assembly today then schedule gi makadali pun mo samat apply to dun kaning mata kaba ngachi tha chehima makai kadre what action you are taking legislative assembly gi authority asi wang de hangam toi adun masi Manipur government soy du sulai Manipur BJP party you are fully aware it you are not taking adequate and appropriate action BJP why asidi chumne adu tamakta INDI ne hangalak pada we support it law is equal for everybody you MLAs and minister don't think Indian Penal Code or this Bharat Nyay Sanghita or Bharat Nagarik Nyay Sanghita I will law punamus no they apply to the law no you are wrong you can also be arrested you can also be put behind the bar even the chief ministers of Delhi he was put behind the bar so many ministers are put behind the bar tagunu no mayam pasana layina to you are wrong aduna BJP this is wrong absolutely you have become a murderer nakoi MLA tara nakoi saguli habit mote chingu ki jo nakoi ne action lodre bese you are also being corroborated you are also being incorporate of this you are also wrong masida koi haigani asidi aina haijeri bese adu tawdi pun mase lali BJP ne tawdi bese ko we don't endorse it kanang khani marak tagya matak tagi moina ne lothok hignu haine tawbu to orangani adu hai the law is equal for everybody Delhi ki law se Manipur te apply to bujate akoi law Manipur te apply to bujate but there is a common law called the akoi Bharatiya Nyay Sanghita se leiri adu tawni mat to bujaroi because law is equal for everybody chief minister cannot behave that I amadana I mit ushange amadana mit ani pangthoke amadan mangodan action loge amadana lawroi hai adu yaroi everybody be treated equally the same that Bharat Nyay Sanghita apply to you to everybody I madudi chumme ada man paper te iriba maduri chummi aji ido ke engineer to bal lenga sa jitat kan thuai da na ba masi issue se solve akoi tawdri bhagdi lenga sa ko akoi lenghan ning de ati to pum porak pada masu paisa chara lakani chin ku ki jodi paisa puro lakani masu paisa tanu chek do rimni that same intending candidate to become the chief minister and ministers moi sa ade paisa tat lo thok pe moi support to lakan to rimoi adu te di to hon me ya de adu handi matang siga you have raised the valid point Tarang Chen, you are right. BJP should be in a position to answer. You are answerable. You have committed wrong. You have not taken and you have not applied that Bharatiya Nyaya Sanghita or 10th schedule of the Indian Constitution. I strongly condemn you